Nexo Crypto Account Pricing explained what you get for your money. Nexo is a crypto platform that combines a wallet, interest accounts, and lending services. Most people get this wrong by assuming Nexo charges hidden fees, but the surprising truth is that its pricing is transparent and competitive. With a Nexo crypto account, you can earn interest on your crypto and stablecoin holdings. Rates vary by asset and account type. For example, a might earn up to 12% annually if you hold Nexo tokens, whereas Bitcoin could earn around 4–5%. Interest is compounded daily and paid weekly, so your money grows steadily without any extra effort. The platform charges no fees for deposits, withdrawals, or account maintenance. Most people overlook this, but it's a huge advantage over traditional banks or other crypto platforms that eat into your returns with hidden costs. There is also the option to boost your earnings by holding Nexo tokens, which can increase your rates by up to 2% depending on your plan. The surprising truth about Nexo is that it offers more than just passive income. You can also borrow against your crypto at low rates, which gives you flexibility without needing to sell your holdings. Combined with secure storage and insurance coverage for digital assets, Nexo makes managing crypto both profitable and safe. In conclusion, Nexo's crypto account provides real value for your money. Transparent interest rates, no hidden fees, and optional boosts via Nexo tokens make it a strong choice for anyone looking to grow their crypto holdings securely. Whether you're earning interest or leveraging crypto for borrowing, Nexo offers a clear and user-friendly experience.